What is a good way to initiate sudo on demand, so it asks for my password now, when it's convenient, and not later, when it's inconvenient? This is hackish. I sometimes need to quickly run programs one after the other in the terminal, with some commands needing sudo while others do not, such as I would like to initiate sudo, aka type the password, before command 1 so that there will be no bottleneck in C3 waiting for the password. Most of the time, I initiate sudo using a random command I haphazardly typed in the keyboard, like it says, command not found, for Lakesfjordsk, but I've successfully done what I need to do, initiate sudo. No bottleneck in C3. Question. Is there a better way than typing non-random characters to initiate sudo? Is there a safe command that does nothing and so is safe to use sudo on?
Sudo v is exactly for this. From man8 sudo v validate. Update the user's cached credentials, authenticating the user if necessary. For the sudoers plugin, this extends the sudo timeout for another 5 minutes by default, but does not run a command. Not all security policies support cached credentials. The complementary command is sudo k. It invalidates the user's cached credentials. While I think sudo v is the right thing, I admit one has to remember the option to use it without consulting the manual. This is a downside. As an alternative, almost any harmless command can be used with sudo to achieve your goal, so if you happen not to remember v at the moment, use sudo true, sudo echo, or sudo date. Credits go to the linked answers. Sudo v should work for you in cases where your original approach works. In your example, if command 1 and C2 take more time than it takes for sudo to forget the cached credentials, then sudo C3 will ask for your password. And so on. Sudo v can replace your sudo Lakesfjordsk, but in case of long-running commands preceding sudo, neither will work. If the line you want to run contains long-running commands, not excluding sudo commands, before some sudo, then consider repeating sudo v in the background frequently enough. Example.
How about true? Description: the true utility always returns with an exit code of 0. If you want something shorter, try it. It returns user identity, and doesn't change the system in any way.
What about a simple echo or echo in to suppress the line break?
If you want to see please send it out to